If you're seeing the error, can't open this file, make sure OneDrive is running on your PC, don't worry. This is usually a OneDrive sync issue, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a quick and simple method, and it works especially well when a file won't open because OneDrive is paused, not signed in, or needs a reset. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes and helpful tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the Start menu and search for OneDrive. Once you see the OneDrive app, open it. This is important because the app needs to be running in the background for your files to sync properly. After launching it, wait a moment and look at your taskbar. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon appear. If you do not see the cloud icon right away, give it a few seconds because sometimes OneDrive takes a moment to start up completely. Now make sure you are signed in to your Microsoft account. If OneDrive is not signed in, your files may not sync correctly, and that can trigger this error when you try to open a file. If needed, sign in again and confirm that your account is active. Then, right-click the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar. A menu should appear. If syncing is paused, click Resume Syncing. This is one of the most common reasons this error happens, and resuming syncing often fixes it instantly. After that, try opening the file again. In many cases, the issue is already resolved at this point. But if you still get the same error, don't worry, because we have one more fix to try. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, paste this command exactly, /program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive.exe/reset. Then press Enter. This resets OneDrive and can clear out temporary problems that stop your files from opening properly. If nothing seems to happen right away, that can be normal. Wait a moment and watch the OneDrive icon. If OneDrive still does not restart, click the OneDrive icon again, then click the gear icon and quit OneDrive completely. After that, wait about 2 minutes. This gives the app time to fully close and reset in the background. Once the wait is over, open OneDrive again from the Start menu. When OneDrive starts back up, check the cloud icon again and make sure syncing is active. Then try opening the file one more time. At this point, the error should be gone and your file should open normally. So to recap, the main fixes are open OneDrive, make sure you're signed in, resume syncing if needed, and reset OneDrive if the problem continues. These steps usually solve the can't open this file error very quickly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.